Hey guys, I hope you're doing fine. So today I just want to give you the status of my new and upcoming indie horror game. So this game is set inside a stadium and you need to collect resources and solve puzzles in order to escape while being hunted by an evil robot. So the story of how you got here is that you have been captured by aliens and they have put you into the stadium for their entertainment. Now, this is just a silly story which I made up, and I haven't really planned for it to affect the actual gameplay as of now. And also, I asked DAL-E for a concept art of the robot, and this is what it came up with. I think it looks pretty good, but give me your opinions in the comments. So, as of now, I've got the player controls up and running. I have also added a sanity meter, and this currently doesn't really do anything, and most of this stuff is really placeholder stuff. I just wanted to make sure that I get all the code right before I start working on the real models. I have also added a system where the user can pick up some objects like keys and stuff. I've also added a minimap which isn't really working the way I wanted it to, so I will try to fix it in the future, or maybe I'll just remove it entirely. But I am thinking of adding a full map functionality to the game. It doesn't really have that as of now, but I will be adding it in the future. I haven't decided the name for this game yet, so maybe give me some suggestions in the comments. So anyway, this is all that I had to say in this video, and hope you guys enjoyed it, or maybe not, because I'm sure this is going to be a really stupid video. But anyways, if any of you guys got to this point, then thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.